The purpose of next hop is to determine if the traffic is being directed to the intended destination by showing the next hop. This will help determine if the network routing is correctly configured. When you create a virtual network, Azure creates several default outbound routes for the network traffic. The outbound traffic from all resources, such as virtual machines, are deployed in a virtual network, are routed based on Azure's default routes. You might override Azure's default routes or create additional routes. For example, you may find that a virtual machine can no longer communicate with other resources because of a specific route. The next hop capability enables you to specify a source and destination IPv4 address. The next hop then sets the communication and informs you what type of next hop is used to route the traffic. You can then remove, change, or add a route to resolve a routing problem. The next hop also returns the routing table associated with the next hop. If the route is defined as a user-defined route, then the route is returned. Otherwise, next hop returns system route. Depending on your situation, the next hop could be internet. It could also be a virtual appliance or a virtual network gateway or a VNet peering. If you see here, there is a virtual machine that I've set up already, and the name of the virtual machine is dev server. So I select the dev server here, and then automatically its network interface is populated. If you got multiple network interfaces attached to the virtual machine, you will see them here. You may want to select the appropriate one. Its private IP address is automatically picked up. What we have to type is a destination IP address. Now it could be a private IP or a source on the internet. The destination IP address fields accepts an IP address only and not a name. It must be in the form of IPv4. Let's say if we want to check the route from 10.0.0.5 to an endpoint on the internet like google.com, then we have to type Google's IP address. To make things simpler, I've already done an NS lookup for google.com, and I have an IP address which is 172.217.22.35. I'll copy it and paste it right here on the destination IP address field, and then click next hop. In this case, I see the next hop type as internet, which is right. So the next hop is testing the communication between the source IP 10.0.0.5 and the internet. In this case, I've got next hop as internet. If it was intranet, that means the resource within Azure, you would have got probably virtual appliance, network gateway, VNet local, VNet peering, or sometimes none as well. If you get none here in this next hop type field, it lets us know that while there may be a valid system route to the destination, there is no next hop to route the traffic to the destination. And that's a triggering point to troubleshoot the network issue.